how the rich think differently than everyone else. Have you ever wondered why the rich seem to play a completely different game? Two people can have the same job, same salary, but one ends up wealthy and the other stuck. The average person sees money as something to spend. The rich, they see it as something to grow. While most people ask, what can I buy with this? The rich ask, how can I make this multiply? Most people trade time for money, hourly jobs, overtime, side gigs. The rich, they trade value for money. They build systems, invest, or create something and get paid over and over again. Fear holds most people back. What if I fail? The rich flip that, what if it works? Where others see risk, they see possibility. Here's a secret. The rich never stop learning. They read, they listen, they ask questions. Not because they have to, but because growth is the goal. The biggest difference isn't in their wallet. It's in their mindset. They don't work for money. They make money work for them. You don't need millions to start thinking like the wealthy. You just need to change the questions you ask and the story you tell yourself, because wealth starts in the mind.